What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back with another video, man. It's kind of like a little discussion topic video inside the TSX because we are discussing cars. Specifically, a drift car, a drift project. We may have another Honda project on our hands when we get to Florida. I want to say it's a 2008 or 7 Honda Accord 6.6. I believe so. It's a V6 6-speed. We may have another project on our hands. It's definitely a fixer-upper. It's not running or not starting or something like I don't know what's going on with it, but I've always wanted to, experience like the V6, and those are really fond of the 6.6s. Hey, we shall see. More content, another car, another Honda, then drift car down the line. What is the best starting drift build, best project car, best starter drift car, whichever way you want to say it? Which would be the best platform for beginners? What would be cool is a drift TSX, being able to convert a TSX to rear-wheel drive. Even though these things are boats and long, it would be cool as hell. It would be hella different. See a TSX like slide from the rear, I feel like it would just seem so natural almost. Like it would just look so good. Maybe that would be the title, like rear-wheel drive TSX, or like drift TSX build, question mark. What do you guys feel like is a good starter drift car and platform and things just to learn on? The main reason why I'm asking this, because I want to transition the channel into different car genre, drifting, different type of cars and stuff like that, not just TSX. It's hard to keep flowing those ideas of the TSX, especially if it's not like running or I'm not doing shit of it right now. All I'm trying to say is I'm trying to grow the channel and expand and do big things and just keep leveling up and enjoy trying new things out, like drifting. And I've always wanted to drift. I'm going to drift events for years since I was younger. My brother drift, his drift car, other people. Another thing I want to do, a track someday. I have a track car, maybe a TSX. It's another video of like topic of discussing various TSX builds. I want to see what you guys think, what you guys recommend, because when I do go to Florida, I do plan on, not right away, relatively like, soon, because I want to stack my bread and whatnot. Get a drift project, a drift car. And it has to be running and driving and shit like that, so I can actually drive it and have fun and learn and things like that. I don't want some shit where it's all busted down and I have to completely fix it. Maybe something simple like, brake pads, this, that, whatever. But other than that, I want a running, driving project, drift build. So we're gonna go run down a list that I made of like cars I've always liked, kind of wouldn't mind having, or I just feel like would be kind of a good platform. BMWs, I've really been, lately I've really been enjoying the BMWs. How they look, how they sound. Overall, they just look so good and cool. Obviously, the E36, E46. I think the E36s are better. I think I like those more. I don't know too much about the BMWs and stuff like that. I'm trying to learn more about various cars and things like that. I've been really fond of them lately. They look really good. Yeah, they just look really good. And I heard they drive immaculate. Some, obviously, if they're bucket then they're a bucket, but like I heard they drive really good. Obviously, another big one is a Nissan 350Z. That's another big one. Those two are kind of like in my top runner-ups right now. You can't go wrong with the 350Z, honestly. Good cars, that has good base power, has a really big platform for parts, and it's a really good drift car. So yeah, that's another option, but like prices are kind of iffy. I want to stay around like the $5 to $6 grand-ish area. I'm not trying to ball out on a drift car, but if I find something I really like and I feel like it's worth it, then maybe. But I don't want to go spend all this money and then go ruin it. But it's like that's part of the game, but I'm still trying not to completely ruin it. That's not the name of the game. It's to drift, have fun. If you fuck up, you fuck up, but it's not like, purposely go destroy your nice car and shit. Another thing, Infiniti, the G35s. Really like the sedans a lot more than the coupes, but I'll consider either or maybe. I've been really liking them a lot lately. I like how they look. They have some good base power too. That'll be another option. I have a few options. I'd kind of rather the BMW, like the E36 over the G35. Something about the BMWs are hitting lately. Even though I used to say I wouldn't necessarily own a BMW because I wouldn't really want to work on them because they sound like a bitch and this and that. I don't know. I might just have to suck it up and do it at some point. I just experience it, man. You need something foreign, a different car audience and touch a different group of people type of thing. Widen the content, different cars, different action, different events. Of course, a 240, S13, S14 would be lovely. I've always liked them. They always look cool. Especially done up, they look cool. They're all over the place. CT is really infested with the JDM crowd. A lot of nice 240s, a lot of Skylines, a lot of GTRs. Those would be nice too, but they're fucking expensive. I couldn't import a car that's 10 grand plus then go and drift it. Like, it would be hard to do. Maybe when I'm more experienced and I'm comfortable, maybe I'd be like, alright, fuck it. But right now, at the moment, I'm like, hell nah. So yeah, obviously something like an import, something would be cool, but I don't know, that's really like a long shot. Maybe down the line I'll end up getting some sort of an import. Who knows, we're in Florida, that's really a big import scene because they don't really care with cars, no restrictions, things like that. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Really trying to grind to 5K subscribers, so if you haven't, go subscribe. Constantly grinding, trying to produce different content and, you know, something that you guys like. Leave your comments down below what you think would be the best drift project car. What do you guys recommend I should look into? Being down in Florida, a lot more cars I feel are accessible and just less rusty to deal with. Yeah, let me know, guys. It's gonna be a new experience for the channel. It's gonna be a lot of new content and I'm here for it. I hope you guys are too. A lot's going on, time's ticking, and I don't know, man. I'm pretty excited about it, but I'm also like real anxiety, anxious about it. Cause it's a big thing, big move, big travel. Literally whole 360 with my life. I'm changing everything up, everything. My lifestyle, my eating, my daily routine, how I act, everything. Because CT is such a weird vibe of anger and just, I don't want to say misery because I don't want to sound like I'm fucking like depressed, because I'm not, but CT is depressing, you know. Opportunities are minuscule and the support is too. And just the vibes, man. Not a whole lot of good vibes going around. Just trying to keep afloat. Let me stop babbling because there's a lot of talk in the video. So thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.